Greetings! Yes, you're here again with Chef India Camiel from Back to Live by Chef India. Guess what? It is officially mango season. That is right. And to commemorate the opening of the season, we are going to be doing and featuring recipes that you have never tried with mango. For mango lovers, this is going to be a special treat for you, right? Belize is so full up of all different kind of mangoes. How can you not love mango? They're so sweet, they're delicious, they're like nature's candy.
Give me some candy now.
Did you eat the mango? Boy, eat the mango.
But today, day one of our week mango feast, we are going to feature two different kind of mangoes. We have the Fairchild mango and we have the Nam Dai Mai. I think it's not pronounced that way.
Don't judge me, please.
It's actually called Nam Doi Mai, which I was pretty close, right? We in Belize call these the Slippers mango. I don't know what we in Belize call these mangoes, which are called the Fairchild mangoes. So those are the two mangoes that we're gonna feature. We're gonna start day one with a very simple, easy, delicious recipe that you can actually preserve, especially if you're getting a lot of mangoes, right? So we're gonna make a mango pepper sauce. It's actually a Belizean mango pepper sauce since we're in Belize. We have to make a Belizean mango pepper sauce. So it's gonna be very easy. We have our mangoes here. We have some already peeled, but I did wanna show you. The great thing about making a mango pepper sauce is that even if some of the mangoes are going out, you can still use the mangoes for a pepper sauce, right? So you can preserve it as well. So we just peel off the skin as close as possible to the meat. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to make it in our food processor. I don't know if you are aware, but I was very excited and shocked to find out a few years ago that mangoes actually help to fight against H. pylori.
That's nasty. That's nasty.
The fibers in mangoes, or the hairs in mangoes, it actually helps to fight against H. pylori and to prevent you from getting it. So for all those people out there who at some point got that nasty little stomach flu, usually it's H. pylori that they got. Now we've peeled our mango here. The ants are trying to get some mangoes, okay? We're up in the tropics, so they want to eat too. What we want to do is we want to just take the meat off of the mango bone here, the mango seed. And you can use a small paring knife to do it. And then we just squeeze the juice. We want to get all of those juices off of there. Okay, so now that we got our mango here, we went ahead beforehand and we peeled more mangoes. So we have about 2 to 2.5 cups of mango. And it's okay if it's in larger chunks. 1, 2, so we say 3 cups of mango actually. We're gonna add that right to our food processor. And then we have our onion. It has already been pre-washed, so we're just gonna add 1 onion, or 1 1/4 cup of onion. And when you're cutting the onion, you wanna make sure that you cut it lengthwise instead of widthwise, because then it will prevent you from crying. So if you want to stop all of those little tears and people maybe abstract you or make fun of you because you be crying with the onion, just make sure to cut it lengthwise. So when you're cutting up the onion, You want to make sure to cut it like no larger than 1-inch pieces, so that when you run the food processor, you're not getting big chunks of onion. Even though we're making a pepper sauce, so pepper sauce has different textures. I like pepper sauce that have different textures. Now we got some local, these are Scotch bonnet peppers. Okay. And the difference between a Scotch bonnet pepper and a habanero pepper is that the Scotch bonnet pepper is curved on the bottom, and they tend to be much more spicier. Right, so we're just going to take the ends off of these Scotch bonnet peppers here. And we're going to add, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pepper sauce. So when we say pepper sauce, we mean pepper sauce. We're going to use 1½ cup of peppers. Hot peppers. Very hot peppers. Now that we have our peppers in here, we also have our mango in there, we are going to add our lime. Now we have 2 different varieties of lime. We have a Jamaican lime that they call here, that's a local lime, and it almost looks like an orange, right? But it is a lime. And then we have the imported lime that either comes from Mexico or from Guatemala. Now, me personally, I prefer to use the Jamaican lime because it has seeds.
Excuse me?
And as you know, right now, it's been a few years, it's been difficult to find lime with seed, right? So we're gonna do the juice of 2 limes right into the food processor. Okay, so now that we have the lime, we're gonna add our onion straight to here. Now usually you would cut up the mango maybe a little smaller, but because the mango is so soft and ripe, it will crush down just fine. But usually you want to make sure all your ingredients are around the same size when you put them in the food processor. And then we have our cilantro here. We're gonna give it a rough chop. This is going to be ½ cup of cilantro right into the food processor. And then we have a teaspoon of sea salt that we're just going to add right in here. Pink Himalaya salt. Okay, so we're gonna add some allspice, but we're not gonna add the allspice just yet because we don't want it to take over the flavor of the pepper sauce, okay? We're gonna add that at the very end. So we have about 5 whole seeds of allspice. Now we've already spun that. Look at how beautiful our mango hot pepper sauce is. Oh, it's so lovely. And it is so spicy. Sauce here. Okay. Make sure you tune in for our second recipe. We are going to be making a mango something or another. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to get more yummy recipes and information. Also, check out our website, also in the link in the description. We offer some free stuff on our website as well. I'm Chef India Camiel, saying signing off. Stay strong, stay live, enjoy your living lifestyle.